So today I did a challenge with my friend Miller, no keycaps on our keyboard, in the new OG Chapter 2 season, and I'll put his Twitch somewhere around here, and yeah, enjoy.
On the pickaxe. Bro.
Alright, so here
This is
we're
straight.
really just warming up, wanting
You're
to see how
not.
we played in creative. Dude, I just sit double edits. Where's my walk button? Triple edit? Oh my god, bro. I was doing alright, but on the other hand, this is what he was doing.
You're not. I can't jump because the space. I'm putting my spacebar back on. I'm sorry. Yes. I'm sorry. I can't do it, bro. That's just...
So here he low-key cheated because he kind of put his spacebar back on for the rest of the video, but you know, we'll let it slide.
It's still super hard, trust. This is bad. Trying to find G. I'm landing out here. There's a couple back in place. That's where I'm landing. Oh, I'm landing here.
If you couldn't tell already, I put my spacebar on to see what it felt like, but I really didn't like it. So later in the video, I took it off.
I might get cooked by the bot.
Real. Frick, I'm taking my spacebar off, bro. Cheating. The spacebar is at without a spacebar, it's actually so low. Are you good?
Yeah, I already killed both of the bots. Whoa! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dude, it trapped me, it trapped me. Oh my god. Oh, that was so scary. So it led me to a mythic chest, but when you open the chest, it breaks the ground under you.
Oh
and
yeah.
There's a bunch of bots down there.
Can I get this bot chest? Can I get it?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, let's pad out of here.
I have a big pot if you need it.
Can you hit that? Oh, don't hit that
Alright, where do you
without
want to go? Oh my god.
I don't really care. We can go Snoop Dogg.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me change my color.
Hurry up. Dog, hurry up. Oh my god, I'm hitting it. I'm going to Snoop Dogg, alright?
Wait.
Actually, they just killed Snoop Dogg.
Alright.
Let's grab these cars right here. Uh-oh.
Bro, what? No, it maybe.
Crosshair off. Crosshair off. Watch out.
One kid. I couldn't click my space. My crosshairs off. Watch out, this dude had a sniper.
Dead. Heads up, heads up, heads up.
My crosshairs off. Ow! Something white. I could have something white.
Dead! Oh my god, I'm so good. Watch out.
Ready? I'm gonna edit it.
I don't know where you go. Where'd he go?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dude, why is my crosshair still off?
I don't know where he's at.
I'm going to Fortnite crosshair.
Hey, you got that Fortnite.
So now it wants to work.
Right foot up.
Heads up, don't get sniped, please.
They're still there. Wanna push them?
I'm 43 HP, but sure.
So now my crosshair off.
Heads up, don't get sniped, please.
They're still there. Wanna push them?
I'm 43 HP, but sure.
So now my cross.
Oh, third party ish. Car, same car. I'm cooked. Hit him 20, hit him 20.
Sadly, Miller died to two little Timmies, so I had to 1v2 them to get his reboot card.
I know. We're only top 35 right now. Oh yeah? Yeah, daddy. Good cook, buddy. Oh my god! Oh. This is so hard, bro.
I know.
Is it not? Green phone?
Run away, blood. Don't come back. Thankfully, I killed one and secured their reboot card.
Like, easy.
Where do I go?
Reboot.
Jump, kid.
Oh my god, get
I'm
cooked,
using
buddy.
Fortnite Crosshair.
I know it's fast.
Huh?
Wait, dog, wait. Come here, blood. Get their boot off. Your teammate's dead out there, by the way. I might have 36 twice. Yeah, I'm not gonna kill him. Ah, frick. Why did I? What am I thinking? So I knock one, but his teammate starts pushing me. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Thankfully, I killed him. He got me one shot.
You're streaming, right?
I'm recording.
Good.
I'm not streaming. I don't know how. I just killed them, and now all I have to do is reboot Miller. As he shot the rocket, and I resetted it just in time. I think I made him explode himself.
Alright.
I think there's one person here, not gonna lie. I saw footsteps. After he rebooted. His teammate didn't even touch the ground yet. There's a reboot secured.
Where did we die? Where did I die?
Follow me. He died right here.
Where?
I'm gonna go see it. It's under the It's
Oh, shoot, person. I'm cooked, I'm cooked.
That fun. Just keep going, just keep going. 162 white.
I'm 30, I hit 30, I hit 30.
They're both cracked.
I hit 130 white.
Both cracked.
So one of them should be one shot.
Sadly,
Yep.
Miller got down again, but I killed him for a free
Sad
gold
buddy.
spaz.
You're not gonna take the drummy?
Nah.
Bro, they're so gay. Why do they finish me though? They're actually gay as fuck.
Why, dude? Just leave me alone for 2 seconds. Like, y'all love me.
Like he's good, but come on, let him go. La 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 la. Shit.
Yeah, run away. That's, nah, I'm pushing. Because I want to. And I'm hit. You're not going to kill me. 25. So I killed his teammate, grabbed his loot, and dipped out a storm.
Reboot.
I'm gonna pick the
No.
here.
All of this loot's gonna be gone by the time.
No, I reboot yesterday. You'll get it. You can come back. It's only one tick. It's still gonna be one tick. Yeah, you can easily come back. They're fudge, bro. Hope you guys.
Reboot.
I can't. There's 2 kids in the vault right now. You can't see my visual sound effects, but they're in front of me. Is there a car? Is there cars in the front? Yes. slide off.
No.
You actually got this car instead, bro. Yeah, you're right, yeah. I was looking around for a loot for Miller, and these kids started pushing me out of nowhere.
Mother fudger, bro.
Can you guys leave me alone?
Dude, that thing just shreds builds. Get cooked. 200. Yep, that's right, buddy. Hide. 200.
Should I do that? Keep taking minis, big boy. How you like food?
Come here, boy. Come here.
Oh,
Kid is
I'm
actually.
gonna be pissed if you guys trade. You guys trade, bro. Oh my god, bro.
I'm just trying not to get.
Oh, fudge. No, you're cooked.
That's all I know about this. Yeah, get beat, buddy. You're trash. Where do you think you're going? Huh? No! I thought he was in the cone. No. That's gonna be a wrap for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Miller for doing this challenge with me. I think I got 8 kills. Miller got a few. We got 7th place without keycaps. I'll put Miller's Twitch up here. He had to make a new Twitch account, but go follow him somewhere. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.